This part of the course may be the geekiest, but it's really not hugely complicated. We'll be looking at structured data markup, a way to add code to your web pages in order to tell the search engines what some of the information is. You can tell the search engines that a piece of information is a recipe or a product, for instance, and that this part of the information is a name and that part of the information is the price, and this over here is a review, and so on. I'll be explaining why you might want to do this. If you've heard of rich snippets, well, structured data markup is how you create them. But markup can be used for other purposes, as you'll learn. I'll also show you how the system is broken into two pieces: the libraries of hundreds of different classes or types describing different kinds of things, on the one hand, and the coding or tagging systems used to embed this information into your web pages, on the other. I'll also explain how to select the right tagging system and show you tools that you can use to help make the process a smooth one.